Zebedee was out, as he'd been told, looking for ships or steamers, even fishing boats that might need a tow. Anything that might please Captain Zero.
Johnny Cuba. Oh dear.
Well. Captain Zero's little civvy.
Hello, Johnny. I mean, Mr. Cuba.
G'day, nice to see you. Listen, do something for me. Slip me into the harbour so I'm not breaking the law, eh? I'll see you all right.
I'd love to, sir. Honest I would.
No ifs, no buts, Zebedee. I need a tow right now. The wind's making me angry, upsetting me plans.
Sorry, sir. But you see, Captain Zero's giving me other orders.
Listen to me, kid. Zero owes me, understand? So don't get funny or you'll be in deep trouble when I...
Told Zebedee to tow him to the old docks that had